Hello everyone, my name is Adityan. Today I am going to be talking about human excretory system. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of uterus, a urinary bladder, a urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures located on either sides of the backbone and are protected by ribs and muscles of the back. The kidney have an inner concave structure. The blood vessels, ureter and nerves enter the kidney through the hilum, notch at the concave surface of the kidney. The renal pelvis, a large funnel-shaped space, is present inner to hilum, has many projections known as calyces. Structure of the kidney. Capsule. The outer layer is called the capsule. Inside the kidney, there are two zones. The outer zone is cortex and the inner zone is medulla. The cortex extends in between medullary pyramids as renal columns called column of Bertin. Nephron. Nephrons are the functional unit of kidney. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubule. Glomerulus consists of bunch of capillaries formed by afferent arterioles. Blood from glomerulus is carried away by efferent arterioles. Endless loop. The next part of the tubule is endless loop, which has an ascending and descending limb. The ascending loop continues as a distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule of many nephrons open into collecting duct. Ureter. A pair of thin muscular tubules, called the ureter, comes out of each kidney extending from the renal pelvis. It carries urine from the kidney to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. It is a muscle sac-like structure which stores urine. The urinary bladder is emptied by the process of micturition, also known as urination. Urethra. This tube arises from the urinary bladder and helps to expel urine out of the body. In male, it acts as the common route for sperm and urine. Its opening is guarded by sphincter muscles. This is my excretory system model. The two bottles present on the top are the kidneys, and the tube which are connected to those bottles are artery and vein. The tube which is connected to the bottles going downwards are the ureter. The ureter is connected to a small bottle. That bottle is the urinary bladder.